What's up, y'all? It's M4. I'm gonna do something new today. I'm gonna do a POV driving video. Here's the beast. So the guys invited me to a meet. I told them to let me go wash it real quick. The wash is done. Need to go put on my 360 mount and let's go. I'm supposed to meet up with Turks at 6:30. I'm about 15 minutes away and I'm still at my house. Let's see how that goes. Just pawned the mount. Took me about like 4 minutes. Let's get on the road. So I finally made it. I may be a little late, but it's all good. My boy Mo and his M8. We got Mr. Turks. I'm vlogging. Yo. We got Mo. We got Caleb. Caleb and his M4. What's up, man? We got the Goldie. Let's do this, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 360 camera is now on. Let's go.